and welcome back to Chuck's Corner, where I share real stories from CNC manufacturing. And stick around till the end, I've got some exciting news you won't want to miss. This one's about something most of us take for granted. Coolant. It keeps the tools alive, the parts cool and the chips flying. But when it's wrong, it really goes wrong. We were running two jobs side by side, aluminum on one machine, stainless on the other. The aluminum job needed a light mix, water heavy coolant for chip flow. The stainless setup used a heavier concentration for tool life. Simple enough, right? Well, one of the guys topped off the wrong sum, grabbed the coolant jug for the aluminum machine and poured it into the stainless tank. Next thing we knew, inserts started chipping, the surface finish went dull and the tool life dropped like a rock. We burned through a few cutters before realising the concentration was way off. Once we caught it, we drained the tank, refilled and got back on track. But the lesson stuck. Even simple things like coolant need clear process control. That's when MachiningCloud came in. We added coolant specs, concentration ratios and maintenance notes right into each job setup in documents within MachiningCloud. Now anyone can check the correct mix before they even touch the jug. No more guessing, no more close enough, lesson learned. Precision isn't just in the cut, it's in the details that support it. Because the wrong coolant can ruin a cutter just as fast as the wrong feed rate. And now for that exciting news. We're running a giveaway this month. To enter, make sure you have a registered and active MachiningCloud account and like, comment and subscribe on this video. The prize, a brand new smartwatch, perfect for anyone who lives by cycle times. The winner will be announced at the end of the month, so don't miss your chance. Thanks for stopping by Chuck's Corner. Stay safe, stay sharp and own the process.